Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use steering wheel on GTA 5 PS5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to install a steering wheel, it's really quite easy by connecting all the required cables to the connecting ports. But once you launch the GTA 5 game and once you give any command like pressing the brake or the clutch or moving the steering wheel or giving any commands to the controller, you won't be able to use the game. The reason why is that you will need a specific compatible steering wheel controller for the PS5, and other controllers won't be able to use it. So as of now, there are no currently available options that you can use to connect the steering wheel on GTA 5 PS5. So the conclusion is that currently there is no available option, but in the future if there is an available option, then it will be available to you. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.